Hey friends! Today I'm in Shenandoah National Park in Virginia, and I'm sitting at a viewpoint along Skyline Drive where I'm going to do some plein air painting of this landscape right behind me. Alright guys, we're all done with this plein air painting in Shenandoah National Park. This one was a tricky one because it's very windy and I'm right near the main road, so a lot of cars are passing by and it's been noisy and windy and this keeps blowing over and falling down. So yes, this was a challenging plein air piece just because of the wind. up on this ridge line. I think the painting started out really well, but towards the end I was just getting frustrated with the wind. That is what keeps happening. My painting is a little bit too small for this easel, so I can't lock the easel lip down onto the painting to keep it from blowing over. So it keeps blowing over, and I'm getting paint all over my hands trying to protect the painting. So yeah, this piece is going to be completed in the studio later. We're going to have to touch up all these spots that got messed up from the wind knocking it over a bunch of times. And I'm sure I have paint all over my face by now too. But the weather is great other than the wind. It's a beautiful autumn day, and just being outside painting has brought me joy. So thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video and leave a comment about what park you'd like to see me paint next. And that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Yep.